Animating fire have always been a problem for most people, including me, that is a professional animator. And I'm sure it's also a problem for you guys. So I'm here to teach you guys how to animate fire in just 5 minutes. If you guys are here for the full video, please just give this video a thumbs up, because I promise you, you won't regret it. This is the fire that I made. If you like it, please hit that subscribe button right now. Okay, let's go into the main topic. First, let's create a project. Well, this won't be hard because it's just how to fire and other stuff. Yeah. Now that I've created my project, let's dive into the real work. First, I start with a circle. This helps me so that I can be able to, determine where the fire is going to be coming out from and stuff like that. Then, next, I go with a straight line. Yeah, it helps me so that I can be able to know how long the fire is. I can't be letting my fire just move up and down like it's something else. You don't understand what I mean, right? Then I increase my stability and draw the flames. Okay, these flames are very important. Then I draw the down part of the fire, Then, and also try not to make too much mistakes. Yeah, it kind of ruins the animation. Just try to minimize mistakes and clean off every extra lines you got there. Then next, I use the fill color tool because this animation I'm not going to be taking it for that long. So I use the fill color tool and paint the entire file and see how it looks like. Good, right? Yeah. Then next I create the layer and time for this fire, the hot part of the fire. The fire doesn't actually just go like that. The inner part is the hottest place of the fire, so I try to draw the flames of the part of the fire. So now that this part is here, I'm just drawing it, taking my time, going slowly, clean off some extra scattering lines just in case. Then you fill it just as normal. Then, sorry, I forgot to draw for this part. Let me just finish. Yeah, I'm done. Okay, now what we have to do now is we have to use the airbrush tool to make the inner part, let it not be too edgy. I just put some few glows in it so that it will look more, presentable and stuff like that. So I merged the two layers together. So I realized that I made some little mistakes, so let me just fix my mistakes. Sorry about that. Okay, next I just have to draw the wood. Let's just say it's the fire is on the wood or something like that. So I draw the wood, the back, front, everything, and I was kind of making a mistake here. So all I just have to do was go to the layer again and fix my mistakes. I didn't have time to draw the wood, so I just had to use anything that comes to my head in the moment. So you can't blame me, you guys. So I fill it up and yeah, the fire is already on it, so all I just have to do is the main work. Okay, I clean out the other part of the fire because, when you're looking at fire from the downside, you don't actually see any flames, you just see nothing. It's the up part where the fire is, but the down part is the hottest part and you're not supposed to be seeing much. So I did this, I saw that there was still a little bit mistake, so I had to bring a new background for the animation and continue. Then I have to put the glow. Okay, the glow is not that hard, just don't use the color I'm using right now, just use the bright color. Then I put the glow on everywhere and I'm almost done. So you guys can please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you think this is amazing. So after I'm done, I tried to put some sparkles, but yeah, it wasn't working for me, so I just cleaned it up. I wanted to put some fire sparks, but it wasn't working for me, so I had to clean it up. So stuff works like that. Thanks, like and subscribe.